Hello there, good to see you. Before starting, here's a heads up. This is going to be a long video, so pause this now, go grab some snacks and get comfortable. Also, if you want to skip the introductory part where I state my opinion, don't worry, I have put a timer below just for you, which can be used to jump to the main brand recognition part of the video. The aim of this video is to spread awareness for a specific class of us consumers by bringing up names of some Indian brands who manufacture the products that we use regularly. I will explain why this is important for us, but before that, let me just clear out that in this video I will not be talking about our aggressive neighboring countries or our trade deficits and policies. I am sure experts are hard at work to fix such issues. But then, why should we care? The experts are going to solve the issues, right? Well, firstly, it is our motherland. And secondly, yes, experts are working and we can help them. It is important to note that some of us are privileged enough to support our economy by choosing to spend money on locally manufactured goods instead of foreign options. I am talking about you and me or people who can afford to spare some extra rupees to buy Indian goods. It does not necessarily mean you have to buy low quality products. Some sectors in our industry manufacture similar quality items as their foreign counterparts. But do you really know which brands are Indian and which are foreign? With this video, I hope to increase brand recognition for our Indian companies and hope this helps us make informed choices when we enter our markets to purchase goods. I did bore you with all this talk, but thanks for bearing with me. Making this took a lot of time and I am glad that you listened. Alright now, let's explore our options. How you ask? Well, let's just go shopping together. Starting with common edibles. I'm sure you guys like your Oreos. Who am I kidding? I like them too. But maybe we can choose to buy Parle, Britannia, Bisfarm, Sunfeast or Raja biscuits next time. Also, Parle G for genius. Are you nibbling at a biscuit? No, I was actually. Well, let us move on to dairy products. What names do we have here? Amul, Mother Dairy. Yes, good Indian brands. Oh hey, wait a minute. It is fun fact time. Did you know that except a chosen few like Amul or Mother Dairy, most other companies make their ice cream using vegetable oil or palm oil, which is a lot cheaper than milk. However, the problem is that they will charge you almost the same price, which is totally unfair. Vegetable oil ice cream products are now called frozen desserts and not ice cream. Thanks to Amul for filing a case against Quality Walls in 2012 or 13. Which made our government realize that and then classify these separately from 2005 onwards. Yes, some of you knew that. Excellent. Keep sharing useful facts like this. Alright, fun fact time is over now. Let's get back to shopping. We will keep looking at some other Indian food brands and continue with regular use products afterwards. So, you need something refreshing to drink? Ruah Afza, Appy Fizz, Fruity, Maaza, Paper Boat, Real and Amul drinks are all Indian brands. Really refreshing. You don't like soft drinks? So, are you a coffee person? Fortunately, Tata Group has a coffee division. Or maybe you're a cafe coffee day person. Yes, both of them are Indian brands. Now, how about some cakes? Apart from popular brands that we already know, we can also buy from local bakeries, like Bapuji cakes. They have been here for a very long time, and I know a lot of people really love them. So, what next? You like noodles? Oh wait, first tell me which ketchup brand do you use? You want to switch to an Indian brand? How about Everest ketchup and sauces? Oh, that reminds me, you can always rely on Everest and Sunrise spices. And those noodles, you haven't forgotten about Sunfeast, have you? Say, should we pick up some cooking oil too? Dhara is a product from Mother Dairy, and Imami Healthy and Tasty cooking oil is a good alternative as well. And oh yes, how did I forget this? Himalaya and Dabur have their range of hand sanitizers. Now our hands are clean and we can safely eat or cook the food. But it is not just food products that we buy regularly. There are other things. How about getting some batteries for the TV remote? Indian companies like Godrej, Nipo make good batteries too. You do trust your Godrej locks, so why not give their batteries a try? Oh hey, why don't you come with me? Help me pick up some bathroom supplies. Just look at all these Indian soaps. There's Synthol, Wildstone, Vivel, Medimix, Park Avenue, Santur, Fiamma Devils, Himalaya, Godrej, Savlon, Margo. Wow, that's a long list. Now, toothpaste. We have Dabur, Babool and Vico. Yes, good alternatives for other foreign brands, So, we need to clean our clothes too. You want to pick up some detergent? I suggest we go for Ujala, Ghadi or even Nirma. They are some reliable Indian brands. Oh, I do remember. My grandma told me to bring something for her muscle pain. I think we should go for Ranbaxy Volini. It's an Indian product. And of course, there's Himani Fast Relief too. Now we should head back really. On our way back, we can stop by the stationery store to buy some writing supplies. Brands like Classmate, Navneet, Cello, Link, Camel and Nataraj have never disappointed me. Perhaps you should start using their products as well. It's a long way back. I don't know about you, but thinking about that, I already feel tired. Need to stay hydrated. Come here, you drink some water too. Yes, Bisleri is an Indian brand, along with Kingfisher and Himalaya of course. And oh, you are familiar with Rail Neer if you use our railways for travelling. Congratulations, you made it this far. As you have noticed already, I only covered just a few of the many regular use items. Otherwise this video would be a 1-hour presentation. Many local brands are missing in this video. Let me know about them in the comments down below. And if I made some mistakes in the video, do let me know about them as well. Moreover, as for the companies with foreign investments, it is my view that as of now, we are not in a position to totally abandon foreign aid. Just look at our Indian smartphone market. There is no viable Indian option because smartphone needs many parts and there is always 1 or 2 main parts of a smartphone that cannot be manufactured today in India. I think we should only accept foreign aid for growing ourselves more independent. This will take years or maybe decades. I don't know, but till then, I hope we can choose Indian products from our more or less developed industries. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like it if you learned something new. Also, share it with your friends and family to spread awareness because that is what we need at this time. I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching and have a nice day.